Hi everyone, I need to explain a couple of things on the website. Folks are not using Save for Web, and it's really important that you do. So I'm going to show you what that is doing and also how to make that work. So here is a recent Monday night dump of images, Monday night review of images, and we have over a half a megabyte file here. We've got quarter megabytes, half a megabyte. Over half a megabyte. These are big files. These take a long time to load. But just as we have, and we've got some very large files here, and they can't be that large, folks. You got to check your pixel dimensions and Save for Web. So while we have these big files, we also have a 59 and a 51K. These guys are going to come up really fast. Even 95K, 136K is fine. Those files are going to come up really fast and not be a burden to the site. Whether you're working on Project 52 files or you're doing this for your own website, saving for the web is absolutely imperative. What that does is it strips out of your JPEG all information that's not needed. For instance, if you had a picture of something that was red and blue, there may not be any need at all for green information. When you save a full JPEG, it saves a full complement of colors, including all the stuff for green. It's just switched off. So it makes a very large file, like 395K or 546K, but it doesn't, it doesn't show. When you save for web, it says, well, if it's not going to show, we'll strip it out. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. By using this one here, we have 523 megabyte file, and again, I'm not picking on any photographer, so please understand I'm just choosing a file based on what we can do here. So this is 523 megabytes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Save for Web, right here, Save for Web. When you first open up Save for Web, it's going to come up like this. That's not enough information for you, so go over to 4UP. This is where you can really see it. Here's our original. Here's our JPEG saved at high 60. No blur, not progressive. Please do not check progressive. Go to optimized, high, optimized 60. We're going to take it all the way down to 115K. I'm going to save it as testing over on the desktop. And there it is. Now I'm going to take that file, I'm going to bring it right up here into Photoshop. And we can go back and forth, and you can't see any difference at all in those two files. And that's amazing. We've gotten rid of over 400K. We've gotten rid of 80% of this file weight, and the image still looks the same. Okay, so it's very, very important that you do that. So I'm going to go ahead and click off the Photoshop, bring this up here, and then drag this new image, testing, over into here so you can see. Testing is 117K, and the original image that we used was 523K. Please, please, please use this. It's very, very important that we don't have big files to download. It makes everything slow up, and it's creating a very huge website over on the server. So if you don't do it, I'll have to do it. I would rather you do it, please. I don't need anything to add to my my time here. So if we can keep away from it, I don't mind doing certain things, but this kind of stuff, guys, you all can do yourself. Okay, so if you have any questions, ask them on the forum here. I'm going to see if I can get Eric or Nick or somebody to do a Lightroom way to save for web. I'm not familiar with that, so as soon as we get that done, we'll get that up as well. So I appreciate it. File, save for web. Thanks, guys.